Hello, I'm Mark Tern from www.thesolution2.com. Today in this short video I'll share with you how to use positive affirmations to change your life. Affirmations are nothing but the positive statements that you write down or speak out loud. They are the words that will motivate you and make you strong enough to achieve your goals. You can say that a person who has a positive mindset is a happy person and people around him will be happy too. We all need to change our mindset, but we don't have the time to do that. It can be very difficult to make positive changes in our life, but we need to make it happen. There are many people who say that we need to think positive for being successful in life. The simplest tool to achieve this is with positive affirmations. When you say positive affirmations, it means that you need to tell yourself what you want to achieve and what you want to do, then you need to repeat these things every day. It will boost your energy level and it will motivate you to follow your dreams. 5 amazing benefits of positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are some of the most effective and simple techniques which can be applied for the purpose of developing a positive attitude. There are many ways to apply positive affirmations, but these are the 5 best and amazing benefits of positive affirmations that will help you to develop a positive mindset. Everyone wants to be confident, but it is not that easy. People will get a negative mindset due to the wrong and negative habits. But you need to make it easy for yourself if you want to get a positive mindset and a positive approach towards life. Positive affirmations will help you to develop a positive mindset. When you say something repeatedly, it gets registered in your brain. So, when you say positive affirmations frequently, then it will be possible to make a change in your mindset and will lead to a positive change in your life. Positive affirmations will give you a positive self-confidence. Positive affirmations will make you feel good about yourself. When you feel good about yourself, then you can easily achieve your goals. Positive affirmations will lead to the formation of a new habit. If you are positive about yourself, then you can easily develop a new habit and make yourself a disciplined person. It will not only change your mindset but also will make you a better person. Positive affirmations will make you healthy. The health is the most important aspect of life, which everyone wants to stay fit. If you have a positive attitude, then you can easily make a change in your lifestyle and get a healthy body. Positive affirmations have proven scientific effects in our minds. Do positive affirmations work? There is some scientific evidence they do. In one study, researchers observed that when people practice affirmations, they activate the reward centers of the brain. This feeling of pleasure acts as a motivator to continue the practice of affirmations until you get the results you are affirming. When you practice affirmations, you have the power to change your beliefs about yourself and the world. If you say something to yourself often enough, it will eventually hijack your brain's cognition and subconsciously make you find evidence that confirms the truth of your statement. This process of mind training helps you achieve your goals and become happier. Affirmations take time to work, but once you start noticing how they help you, you'll want to continue. Another study found that when people repeat positive self-affirmations, areas in the brain that help them regulate emotions also grow stronger. This means that through repetition, affirmations actually change the brain in such a way that increases the likelihood of turning affirmations into positive actions and positive feelings. 4 ways to use your affirmation statements. The basic use of affirmations is repeating them in your mind until they become innate in your unconscious. Starting from this, you can apply a few variations, have a more effective experience. 1. Repeat your affirmations in your mind, but do it 3 times for each affirmation. This will create a basic reinforcing and will make it easier for you to enter into agreement with them. 2. Say it out loud. Make your affirmations audible by speaking them out loud. This will force you to really believe them and give them a chance to take root in your mind and your being. 3. Write it down. Writing down your affirmations will give them additional reinforcement and keep you focused on what you are trying to achieve. It will also help you to commit them to memory. 4. Use a recorder. If you happen to be somewhere where there is no one to hear you, use a small digital recorder to capture your voice. Record them a few times and create a 5-minute recording. Use your phone to record them and your earphones to listen to them. Try these different methods and see which works better for you. Positive affirmations can change your life. Affirmations are a simple way to change your mindset in life. Positive affirmations will give you many benefits and will help you to achieve a positive mindset, a stronger resilience during hard times, and a positive approach towards life. Affirmations can give you a new energy and sometimes a new perspective. Affirmations will train your thoughts. Your thoughts will train your actions. Your actions will create everything else in your life. I know that if you believe in yourself, then you will achieve all your goals and dreams. So, evolve your mindset and attitude with affirmations, start believing in yourself, develop your self-confidence and see the difference in your life. Starting with positive affirmations for self-confidence and making all this work for you. I think that any work related to positive affirmations should start from your self-confidence. This is because if you have a problematic area in your life, there's probably an underlying lack of confidence in that area. So whatever the problem you have, developing your self-confidence is part of the solution. Your self-confidence is the most important skill that will shape your destiny. So wherever you are starting from with your affirmations, affirmations for self-confidence are an essential part of the solution. Moreover, there are a couple of traps you have to be aware of if are going to try seriously affirmations to get inner change. You can find more about this in the next video in this playlist. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it or found it useful, I invite you to give it a thumbs up. Now, if you're ready to get a head start towards developing your self-confidence, while learning to have more courage and set your path towards unleashing your personal power, take action now and enroll in my free 30-day self-confidence challenge. Click the link in the video description below and visit us at www.thesolution2.com/freeconfidence. See you in the next video.